bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
A whirring noise in your food processor isn't always a warning, but if it's loud or grinding, stop immediately. It could mean the blades are stuck or the motor is overworking. Check for jams or damage before using again. Regular cleaning prevents these problems and keeps your processor safe and efficient. Always listen to unusual sounds to protect both you and your appliance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.